What's up everybody? Welcome back again to this YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to have you guys around. Now today we embark on a journey to explore one of the Kenya's most remarkable transportation projects. That is the Thika Superhighway. This modern marvel has transformed the way people travel between Nairobi and Thika, offering convenience and efficiency like never before. But first, let's begin with an overview. Thika Superhighway is a 50-kilometer expressway connecting Nairobi, the capital city, with Thika, that is an important industrial town. The Thika Superhighway is a vital artery for both commuters and the commerce. The construction of the Superhighway began in 2009 and was completed in several phases. It aimed to reduce congestion and enhance safety and stimulate economic development in the region. Thika Superhighway boasts several notable features. There are multiple lanes in each direction to accommodate heavy traffic, overpasses and interchanges to reduce congestion, beautiful landscaping and pedestrian walkways. This infrastructure project has had significant economic impact. We have seen growth of industries along the Superhighway. We have seen growth of real estate and e-commerce along these routes and creating jobs and opportunities for many. Environmental sustainability was a priority during construction. The highway incorporates green spaces, efficient lighting to minimize its ecological footprint. Safety is paramount. Thika Superhighway features modern road signs, guardrails, and regular maintenance to ensure a secure journey for all users. Commuters enjoy reduced travel time, less stress and improved accessibility to Nairobi business and residential districts. The future holds even more promise. Plans are underway to expand and enhance Thika Superhighway, further easing congestion and supporting economic growth. In conclusion, we can say Thika Superhighway is not just a road, it's a symbol of progress development in Kenya. It showcases what can be achieved through modern infrastructure and thoughtful planning. Thank you for joining us through this journey of Thika Superhighway. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the incredible transportation marvel. If you have any question, you can just put it in the description in the comment section below. You can also give us a suggestion of where else you want to see in our next video. Remember also, we are on a journey to 5,000 subscribers. You can support this channel by subscribing and join the growing fam. So until next time, you guys, I see you on the next video.